I'm gonna do something simple for the sake of this tutorial, but just to get a main little pattern down. Get my main little pattern. The thing about 808s, you gotta make sure when you busting with an 808, you gotta make sure you choose the right 808. But like I say, so I like this 808, so I'm gonna use this 808. So the first thing you do when you mess with an 808, you wanna make sure it's in the right key. So you can go to audio editor, what I like to do, then I kick this arrow right here, and then go to detect pitch. And then as you can see, it's an A sharp 1. So you go right here. Right now it's on here. So I just go to A sharp 1. So C, D, E, F, G, A. You, what is that? Right click it. And then boom, it's set on A. You feel me? A sharp. Well, A sharp is right here. A sharp is right there. So boom. So now what you want to do, you go to the piano roll, and then you just copy these notes. But before you do that, you right click on this and you make sure you cut itself. So once you do that, once you do that, you can just copy these bass notes down here. Simple. And just copy the same notes. Boom, boom. And then just play. Make sure it's on beat, on key. So boom, as you can see, you make sure when you use an 808, you use it as an instrument. I know it's that bass and it's that thump, but you want to make sure you're using it as an instrument. So it should sound kind of just like a piano, but its own instrument. So like, if you go higher, it's like, see, it's like it's all on, you want to make sure it's all keyed and pitched right. So I'll just hit, what is it? I don't know what button this is. Alt, no, shift, no. The Apple button, I'm on a Mac, so the little whatever. The Apple button and I go down. And I just boom, that's it. Now, hold up, and I just, so now, as you can see, something simple. That's how you 808 already hit. And if you want it to hit more, you just go to your velocities, you feel me? Go to your velocities and turn your velocities all the way up to the max. To the max, to the Batmobile. And then you just turn them all the way to the max. So now this is called a slider. This is how, how if you don't want your 808 to just be like, just a boom, boom. You want it to like kind of like bounce, you feel me? You do the same thing. So as you can see, this is a note right here. So I'm gonna just say, put it on this note because this is a note that we played. I go down again, and then, well, let me use a different one. Okay, so I use this note. Let's see how that sounds. Go down a little bit, then boom. Now, I know that this key gonna sound good somewhere, so I hit this button, boom. Delete that, put it in. It's gonna like slide. See, like if you can hear it, let me see. You feel me? That's what it's doing. So the beat, basically, if you do that, you want like a long 808, like an 808 that lasts that long, and then it shows it. You feel me? You do that and then you just play around with it. Like you can do so many with it. So that's how you do it. You just hit this button right here. Boom. Hit that button. Boom. Hit that button. And then once you hit it, and it says black, it's working. See, you can do it. You can be like, uh-oh. You feel me? Like you can do stuff like that. Like there's ways to get around it. You can still do it. But I don't want it on there, so. But basically, honestly, it's really that simple. Like it's really that simple. Like that's how I use 808s. I don't do a bunch of like crazy stuff with the 808 and then I just throw a kick on it. After that, I just throw a kick. And then boom.